CSX equipment.
Well, seems as though we'd lucked up. First train of the day is the M576. Now, about 15 minutes ago, they were down testing Mr. Ed 2 miles south of here in Fountain Head. And so now 15 minutes later, we get the 576. I'm glad that they're keeping an eye on it, making sure he's a healthy machine. That way he can keep me informed and keep us all safe. So shout out to all the fine men and women of CSX for keeping this equipment and these rails safe. Okay, now with that being said, just real quick, I haven't been trackside for 9 days. I think everybody knows that. But today is the 3rd day of June 2024, and we hope that the trains keep coming. I've been here for an hour, and I really thought they weren't because they were working on Ed, but I think everything's okay. At least I hope it is. And so I had an opportunity to make some money. I had to have money. So an opportunity came up and I took it. And so that's over with now, hopefully. Well, for a while anyway. So we're back trackside. Glad to be back. Right here in the land of one CSX and a one-track mind. So, welcome back to the channel, and we hope we get some more. Okay, folks, thanks for watching.